Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to voice over whatever your slide is in PowerPoint. So I just put a blank or a slide up here with just some silly stuff on it, just to represent that we've already got a slide ready. And of course, you need to have a microphone either attached outside of your computer, or if you have a laptop with a built-in microphone, you can use that. All right, but if we want to do a voiceover, what we need to do is, let me move the screen so you can see the top of my PowerPoint here. All right, but we're going to go to the insert function, and a lot of stuff is under the insert function for any type of video we make or any audio. And if you look over here on the right, here's audio. Now when we insert audio, it's going to insert it on whatever slide we happen to be editing at that time. So that's very important. You have to be on that particular slide. If you want audio that runs across the entire presentation, you're going to make a video, and that's going to be you're going to make a screen recording over here on the right. Now, and you'll notice this little screen recording thing coming up here that allows you to make audio. Now, I am not going to do that, though, because a screen recording is going to go across the whole thing. We're just going to do the slide for the moment. All right, so again, I'll go to Insert, over to Audio, and then I'm going to record my own audio. So I'm going to go down to Record Audio. Now, I can also choose some audio that's already recorded on my PC, but that's usually music or something like that. Usually, if we want our voice, we're going to record audio. Now, notice we can name it if we want. It's not necessary. All we have to do is hit this little red button, and it's going to start recording, and it's already recording. And then as soon as I hit that OK, you notice it stopped, and it's put this audio right here. Now we can move that audio to the bottom of the slide, which I suggest you do. So I'm going to move this down and move the audio down to the bottom beneath everything else. Maybe down here. And of course, when I get onto that slide, I can play it. It's going to start recording, and it's already recording. All right, so, and that's what it's like. Now, again, if we don't just want it to record on each slide, then we need to go up again to that insert option, and we need to do a screen recording. And when we do the screen recording, again, we can just choose the audio function if we want it to just record audio. That, however, will record across our entire presentation instead of just across one single slide. Hopefully that helps, but if not, let me know.